Alright, that's where the crash was. You can tell, like right there. It's the third story about. You see the big dent in the wall? No, this is how far the wall, this is where the car took off up on top of the hill. Look, it's all the way over here. So, the car took off on this little hill. The estimated speed was about 120 miles per hour. And I'm going to show you the distance where the hill is from there. And you'll see how far it is and how fast he was actually going. Here it's dark, but you can see the hill a little bit right here. And it's real dark right here. But that's where, that's how far it actually was. Now I'm going to show you, let's try to get some light over here to show you the tire tracks. You can't see it. But from right here to there, that's where the car hit. This is a hill I'm on right now, a little one. From here all the way to those apartment buildings, that's how far the car went. And you can kind of see right there. From where I'm at, this is where the car took off. And it landed all the way over there. I'm gonna walk it back to the spot. This was just like 2 hours ago. It jumped these cars over bushes and landed all the way on top. Right there. That's a big chunk out the building. And it bounced off and landed over there. And it bounced on that wall.
You see this car?
Hmm?